Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all low budget diet plan for weight loss with the help of which we'll be able to lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with low budget diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Starting with our early morning drink, which has to be something which is diuretic, at the same time helps you to remove all your bloating and swelling very quickly. I am talking about having simple and very plain, very easily available ajwain or jeera water. All you have to do is soak 1 teaspoon of ajwain or 1 teaspoon of jeera. You can soak both as well in 1 glass of water, approximately 350 ml of water overnight, and in the morning simply boil it. Or you can even simply boil 1 teaspoon of ajwain or jeera in 1 glass of water in the morning itself if you cannot soak it overnight, and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Now this basically helps you with postpartum weight loss, diabetes, PCOD, PCOS and thyroid very quickly. Symptoms are reduced to a greater extent and you see a great weight loss happening as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always switch to having 2 glasses of normal lukewarm lemon water. All you have to do is simply squeeze 1 whole lemon in approximately 2 glasses of water, so approximately 500 to 700 ml of water, and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Now this boosts your vitamin C for the morning itself, helps you with fat loss and also great for detoxifying your body from within. So follow any of these 2 recipes for your early morning drink. Now proceeding towards our breakfast options for low budget diet plan, in which we'll keep it super simple, super easy and super yummy as well. So I am talking about having a very small bowl of poha. Now how do we prepare poha that is great for weight loss? All you have to do is, as I've shown here the recipe of complete my poha, I'm adding here beetroot, lots of vegetables and less poha. So less carbs and more fiber to the poha, I would say. Again, poha is very good if you are suffering from PCOD or PCOS and keeps you satiated for longer time of the day as well. You can enjoy 100 to 150 grams of this poha for your breakfast. Along with that, you can have a cup of freshly brewed green tea or cup of tea or coffee if you're addicted to it, and you cannot skip tea or coffee, then you can of course enjoy your tea or coffee with your breakfast, but do not add any kind of sugar to it at all of any kind. Second option is for all of those who cannot prepare a very time consuming breakfast for themselves in the morning. All you have to do is simply you can have a bowl of fruits. Now whatever seasonally and easily available fruits you have, you can easily prepare a good full bowl of it, or you can even prepare fresh smoothies out of it. Smoothies hardly take 5 minutes to prepare, but they are super yummy, super tasty, a lot more fulfilling and definitely high in fiber as well. So all you have to do is either take 1 banana, orange, apple, pear, whatever is seasonally available, approximately 250 grams of fruit you can take. You can blend it and prepare a smoothie as well, or you can simply have your fruit as well. Always prefer to consume your fruit cut. Once it's cut, quickly consume it, do not store it. Proceeding towards our third option for breakfast is for all of those who cannot have these 2 options. For you, the best option would be to simply have 1 besan chilla. All you have to do is prepare besan chilla in a very quick form. I have already shared the recipe of my personal favorite besan chilla. It is always high in protein, high in fiber and definitely yummiest option of all. You can enjoy it with coconut chutney or mint chutney or tamarind chutney, but make sure to limit the portion size here to 1 chilla itself. Now proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between breakfast and lunch time. Always prefer to have a liquid during this time because of course you're dehydrated and of course you need your hydration boosters as well. So I always prefer my clients to either have 1 glass of chilled lemon water. It definitely soothes you and hydrates you from within very quickly. So one of the best options for mid-morning snack is either have 1 glass of chilled lemon water, or you can even have 1 glass of lassi or chas. Again, lassi or chas or chilled lemon water, any of these don't have to have any kind of salt into it or sugar into it. Simply, you can prepare it in a very casual form with adding lemon juice or black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, fresh mint leaves, and enjoy your tasty, delicious both the drinks. They are very good for people suffering from UTI or any kind of inflammation in the body as well. Proceeding towards our lunch options for low budget diet plan. Now when it comes to lunch option, always prefer to have 30 minutes before your lunch apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Now if you cannot have apple cider vinegar, then you can simply have 2 glasses of plain lukewarm water before your lunch. It helps your body to lower your blood sugar levels when it comes to your food intake and also hydrates you very well before your lunch, so you do not overeat or increase your appetite as well before your lunch. Proceeding towards our lunch options for this diet plan, I'll be giving you 2 options here. here. They are super yummy, super easy to prepare and requires very minimal ingredients as well. Now the first option for all our Indians out would be easiest option and loved by all. I am talking about khichdi. Khichdi is definitely one of the easiest and best options you can carry or prepare and very soothing and warming in nature as well. I have lots and lots of khichdi recipes on my channel which are super easy, super yummy, require very minimal ingredients and they are not at all boring as well. So definitely you can have any one recipe of these options that are listed in the description box below. You can go and check it out and they are being displayed on your screen as well. Try out each day another recipe and you will fall in love with khichdis. High in protein, high in fiber and definitely low in carbs because we here add very little rice and more of veggies and dals. So definitely you can try out these recipes. Approximately the portion size for this would be 200 grams of cooked khichdi. Do not overdo it if you want a good weight loss with this diet plan. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of raita or curd or salad and enjoy your tasty delicious khichdi. Proceeding towards our second options for all my roti lovers. Whoever wants to have roti in this season cannot quit it because of any reason. You are at the right place because I'll be giving you roti definitely in this diet plan. For roti, all you have to do is I am using here barley flour, that is jaw ka atta. You can use any multigrain flour of your own choice, whatever is available and locally sourced in your area. You can use bajra, ragi, jawar or besan as well and prepare a good delicious roti out of it. Now I basically call this as a weight loss roti because we add lots and lots of greens into this. I'm adding here lots of coriander, methi if seasonally available with you and spices of your own choice, and you can have approximately 2 rotis out of this along with raita or curd or salad and some achar as well, and you will fall in love with this roti every single day. So prefer having this instead of having your normal gehu roti. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack options which comes between lunch and dinner option. If you feel hungry or some kind of hunger pangs during this time, you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea or you can have tea or coffee if you like having it so, but without any sugar. Definitely we'll skip sugar as much as possible, or if you cannot have all these things, you can definitely have soft water. Now soft, that is fennel seeds water, basically helps your body to anti-inflammate itself and definitely cures acidity or acid reflux of any kind. Works amazing for postpartum weight loss and you can definitely see a great weight loss happening with these teas. Along with that, as a snack, you can always consume 30 grams of either roasted peanuts, or if you crave something sweet in this time, then you can always have 1 date, that is 1 khanju. Proceeding towards our dinner option for this diet plan, which is super easy, super light. We'll keep it because we need to see a great weight loss happening. So we'll see 2 options here. The first option is my personal favorite. If you want to have something warming in nature during this time, you can have either a bowl of dal or you can have soup. All these options are present on my channel already. I have lots and lots of recipes of healthy, tasty, delicious soup recipes. Tomato soup, all veggie soup you can have, or lemon coriander soup. Now these all the soups require very minimal time to prepare and super easy as well to store as well. So you can follow these recipes for your dinner time, or you can even have a bowl of dal. Dal, we always prefer to have very light dals, which are, you can have either arhar ki dal, which is tuar dal, or you can have masoor ki dal, or you can have moong dhuli dal. Do not have any kind of other dals because urad dal and all, they do contain lots of carbs and definitely you will start feeling bloated throughout the night. So have a little small bowl of dal. Try to dilute the dal as much as you can and prefer super light salt during this time. Do not add more salt. Always prefer to season it with black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, lemon juice, and you'll enjoy it as much as you would enjoy any other food options. Along with that, you can have a bowl of salad or stir fry veggies as well. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always have a warm cup of milk. Yes, you can have it for your dinner. It will be satiating as well. We'll try adding haldi to it. You can add almond drops to it, almond oil drops, which is Dabur Badam Rogan oil. You can use in this recipe, which gives you great relief from constipation. If someone is suffering from constipation, definitely try out adding either a teaspoon of desi ghee in your milk or a teaspoon of almond oil to your milk. You will definitely start seeing huge difference in your constipation issues. Along with that, you can have again 1 apple or any fruit of your own choice. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink option, which is basically once you are over with all your meals, you basically want to digest your entire meal system. So all you have to do is either have 1 cup of soft water. As I told you earlier, the benefits of fennel seeds water is amazingly well. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always have either cinnamon tea or ajwain or jeera water again. All these tea options are diuretic, also helps to remove your bloating and swelling from the body very quickly, and you see great weight loss results happening as well. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to drink 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. It basically helps you to stay hydrated and also removes all the water retention and any kind of bad toxins from your body very quickly. Water is definitely one of the best sources if you want to remove bloating or any kind of swelling from your face or body very quickly. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this diet plan, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.